5 Easy Ways to Make Your Teeth Whiter at Home. To make these remedies work, taking care of your teeth every day is essential. Make sure to watch this video to learn how to do it properly. What things might you be doing wrong in your oral care routine? There are a few natural ways to make your teeth whiter. You can do them at home. This is helpful information. 5 Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a substance that has been gaining popularity as a teeth whitening remedy in recent years. It is not surprising that activated charcoal is a natural way to whiten your teeth. It is easy and inexpensive to use. This stuff is an excellent antioxidant. It removes toxins and surface stains from tea, coffee, and food. Brushing your teeth with activated charcoal can lighten them by up to 3 shades, which is pretty impressive. You want to try it? Here is what you should do. To whiten your teeth, you can crush 1 charcoal tablet into a powder. Dip your toothbrush in the powder and brush your teeth normally. Some people freak out when their teeth and mouth are covered with black stuff, but it washes off to reveal brighter, whiter teeth. 4 Powdered milk and toothpaste. Dairy products, especially milk, are perfect for your teeth. That's because milk contains both calcium and phosphorus. You can add more dairy products to your diet or use powdered milk to brush your teeth. This will help promote remineralization. Adding powdered milk to your toothbrush with toothpaste will make your teeth whiter. You can get your teeth pearly white and robust by brushing them twice a week. 3 Baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda is an excellent way to remove surface stains from your teeth. You are making them way whiter as a result. Lemons contain vitamin C, which is known to lighten teeth. Lemons also have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in your mouth. The best way to combine these 2 ingredients is to put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush and then add a few drops of lemon juice. This will help you achieve bright, shiny teeth. Do not use this whitening method more than once a week. That's enough to get the desired effect and keep your teeth healthy. To make toothpaste, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water. This combination provides more gentle cleansing so that you can repeat this procedure more frequently, twice a week. 2 Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical that can bleach things. Your teeth might be sensitive after whitening, so before using hydrogen peroxide, test it on a small area first. If you want to whiten your teeth quickly, you can use a cotton swab dipped in peroxide. Be careful not to use this technique too often because it can damage your enamel. Twice a week should be enough if you don't want to risk damaging your teeth. You can find toothpaste with hydrogen peroxide at the store. This toothpaste helps to prevent your teeth from becoming sensitive. The hydrogen peroxide is balanced with other ingredients, so you don't have to worry about it. Hydrogen peroxide can also be used as a mouthwash. It would help if you used it before brushing your teeth. Make sure you are using a 1.5% or 3% solution. There are other ways to whiten your teeth. You could use hydrogen peroxide gel or teeth whitening strips. You can get hydrogen peroxide in many different forms. You can use it to make your snow white teeth.
1 Sea salt, lemon juice, and toothpaste.
Another ingredient for a homemade teeth whitening remedy is sea salt. Sea salt has many minerals and elements, such as calcium, magnesium, and iron. Sea salt has antibacterial properties, cleansing your breath and preserving your teeth. If you want to see the fantastic effects of sea salt and lemon juice, mix half a teaspoon of each in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your teeth and wait 1 minute before rinsing your mouth. You should repeat this procedure 1 to 2 times a week.